WWE, baby.
Spanta manzi, not just a trip away.
Uvumelana nami ngayo yonke into namhlanje.
Oh, ngoba ibirthday.
That's the best present you can give me.
Yeah.
Iyarola ndwana.
Awuzongitshita.
Iyarola ngithi. Oh. Kulele.
Akalela umpost indoda. Izobingelela manje.
Bingelela wena. Akunemuntu obingelelayo hayi. Bayali bajima umdala. No, hayi no bafethu asibingelela ama viewers to another heated episode bafethu episode 17. Hayi siyabonga bafethu siphushile. 18 Ngisalele. Hayi no, ngizongixolela bafethu baqeda ukungivusa no. Siku episode 18 asibonge ukuba khona kwenu. Ngihamba noBhungane la mina ngingashintshi ngisasewudumsana wakaKhumalo. Bhungane mfoka baba.
Noma ngingashintshi mfethu.
Oh bengithi uchayini.
Hayi baba.
Ayasibonge. Ghost.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyancela.
Yes, siyaphila. So welcome to it, guys. You're tuning in to Timeline Radio Sports, and I'm one of your hosts, the G Lady of the house. So this is the podcast where we help you, bringing you the news, the controversial, trending football news, right in the comfort of your home. Can be your car, your studio, everywhere. Hence, we call the Timeline, right? So today we have a lot of things to talk about, but I just want us to firstly talk about the Nedbank first matches, the controversy that was going around. So we first saw Kaizer Chiefs is playing against Stellenbosch, and we also have one of the big teams, Mamelodi Sundowns, playing against Gomora United. So the first one, it's the Kaizer Chiefs match, ne? So the defending champions, Kaizer Chiefs, have been eliminated from the Nedbank Cup following their 2-1 loss against Stellenbosch on Wednesday night at the DHL Stadium. Amakosi considered the first goal in the 10th minute. Silva considered a penalty with a careless challenge, and Ibrahim set Peterson the wrong way. So in the 23rd minute, Davin Tatus unleashed a rocket from the 25-yard, which flew past Bafana goalkeeper to make it 2-0. He is. So despite Silva scoring the 56th goal from the 12th yard to make it 2-1, Stellies had held on to advance to the round of 16 of the annual competition. So interesting, guys. Stefan finished the game despite getting two bookings in the game. And another interesting part that people were talking about is that the coaches might be clueless. Some of the people were blaming the players, such as the likes of Mabomdu Shabalala, Silva, and some of other fans were more concerned about our officials, which referees should be held accountable. So based on that match, like Ninani Buge Ganjani, what can you say about the whole game?
Yeah. No, ngizoqala ngokubingelela ama viewers and straight to the point. I think Kaizer Chiefs idliwe game before iqala nokuqala. One, because of starting lineup sabo ebesichange kakhulu. Two, ama player wa Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think there's a player with Chiefs ebonisa ihanga. And first 2-3 games mabafika banayo lento leyo. But ngathi baya adapt kulabo abakudala. Bagcina sebaba into eyi-1, yabo? I mean, for a professional player like uMdu Shabalala, it's unacceptable ukuthola ama-chance ayi-3. 3 clear chances, wamise wonke. That should tell you something. Yabo? Asim-criticize or angim-criticize because of akakoranga or umeisile or in. I mean, he's a youngster. Uyathandeka, and a lot of amateur football players babheke up to him. So I think kumele azamphakamisa standard sakhe. Yabo?
Yeah.
So for mina nje I don't see Chiefs winning anything this season. I don't want to lie, Shane.
Hey, yazi ngiyabona ukhuluma uphansi nenhliziyo ngathi ubhlungu hayi no. As Ghost, that is one thing okumele like see understand when it comes to ibhola. Sikhulumile nga similar thing I think kuma previous episode ukuthi there are fans abafuna iwin like bazeli win irrespective ukuthi iza kanjani uLep ushaya icross la ngena la enzani baya celebrate but abakwazi ukuba like fair to like a situation with okay no lebe kuyi cross then kushuthi angani ngithole 3 points but bekuyi mistake bekangathi uyakora bekayenza ini uyi accept le nto leya. So if sizoya ngomoya ukuthi okay Kaizer Chiefs has won 3 games or in nana and then we were expecting them ukuthi ba win, that's when sizoba nama conversation azothi no I cannot accept this or I cannot accept that. Mina for mina information yabo coach ukuqala it was wrong. Not that which it was wrong, but the personnel abayisebenzisile. I always emphasize on the personnel. If uzosebenzisa i-flat 3, you need someone who's a destroyer laphayana or aggressive. I don't normally advocate for Ox. Mina if ungalandela esikhathini esibaya angimsupport Ox. I don't like his style of play sakhe. But kule game I feel ukuthi he was needed. Like you like so Fabukatsande dala mangabe kusetshenziswa ama defender i3 and then ufaka someone ozokhahlela abantu lapho ozodestroy. Abo Titans bebangeke bayenze le nto leya with Ox akhona. And then also kuma wing back wakho uyawapusha wayisa emidleleni and then you should get rid of one. Like Umako lazy. Honestly, okay, there is nothing wrong with Umako, but I think mina lazy for go expect ukuthi Umako uzoya yoshama cross nana. So you rather sacrifice one wing back ufake a natural winger ukuthi unomonyane side and then una someone ngapha ukuthi natural wing ozokwazi ukuthi la kakudlalela. But there was nothing wrong with that. Based on the statements akabhungane when it comes to uShabalala, I mean I feel ukuthi ugoalkeeper uStellenbosch usavile. Not that ukuthi uvelile nje kuphela wameyisa Ronda. The guy wenza umsebenzi wakhe asimnikeni credit like ukuthi okay umsavile is not like ukuthi ulishayele ngaphandle Ronda. No, angiboni ukuthi khona enye into futhi engcono bekangayenza kule opportunity oqala vele uvelile wathi uyaliplace the guy will save. And one other thing engibonile ngogoalkeeper ubonise maturity because uchoose le play ukuthi ibhola the only place la ungalibeka khona kula. Because uvaleni epool mina ngithema ngibheka ngaze ngathi yazi if bebathi ucabange fast la kumuntu wavele walhita hard and low kwini epool because of goalkeeper akayicabangi lento ukuthi angafirst ukungishaya khona la then like uzolishaya ngapha eside but it did not happen. It did not happen. So ukungamoshi nje isikhathi sakho. There was nothing wrong with the Kaizer Chiefs. I think mina personal abayisebenzisile for information it was wrong and then nanokuthi ke angeke sizokhalela abo coach ukuthi ba change ama player. Wonke ama player ku Kaizer Chiefs our Kaizer Chiefs guys they deserve to play.
Because you know what okay so seniyikhumeno to this thing because nami ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi sometimes it's not ukuthi maybe the other team is playing bad, but it's just that the other team it's more aggressive or like it's just beyond like iyabahlula in any case because I think there was a point la umuntu engimbone ibhola lakhe clearly yi defender. I just forgot the name. For me I was like as much as umuntu si expect ukuthi akore or people were blaming him but the defender wenza umsebenzi wakhe lapha because he was the one who defended, you know. So I think my case was just on that. Do you think ukuthi this time Kevin Hunt for like it's one of those days like akhona ukuthola like ishine yakhe like his star sakhe so ukuthi uyihlulile Kaizer Chiefs or if it's not Kaizer Chiefs like he won the match. Like don't you think it's one of those days ukuthi no Kevin Hunt was more into way bekafuna like ama results.
I don't think so. If ufuna ukushayina hamba udlala neChiefs uzoshayina anyway. It's not like iChiefs ile threat abantu abacabanga ukuthi iyo. Yes abantu kumele ba appreciate ukuthi iChiefs win 4 games. Lose game yes 5. Yabo of which as a fan sometimes kumele ucheck into ezivana lezo. But asifuni abantu ba accept izinto as obvious. Like I mean njoba ngisho ukuthi ilose ibona igame before iqala. Mo check starting 11 sawo yakhona ukubona ukuthi manje kwenzakalani la then you know bazoluza igame labantu. Ecase kaMdu awazi ukuthola ama chance ayi3 wamise wonke. Regardless ukuthi ubani wenza umsebenzi wakhe. nawo umsebenzi wakho ukukora why singawubani umsebenzi kaMdu ukuthi yini beka yapi if yena kusumsebenzi wakho ukukora why beka lokaphuma ke ngabekela abanye ama player ke aphuma ayoshaya mina ugoalkeeper ngeke angivimbe ka3 angisengi striker mara kuna goalkeeper ngangivimba ka3 ngizolishaya oqala alivimbe ngenyawo mangibuye kwesithi ngizolichip ibhola ngizolkheva ngizoyenza something because ngiyakuthi ayisebenzi into engiyenzayo umuntu akakhona ukucabanga ukuthi angikhona ukukota ibhola lokushaya inyawo lapho lokwenza into eyi1 kaningi. No, it's wrong, guys. That is why Hugo Bros angambizwa kubafana bafana because of the performance bese niyalo.
Ghost, it's not about ukwenza into eyi1 kaningi. Kulama 3 chances la umuntu avele ngawo. I think i4 eli1 la ngashutha ngakulo. Lele linye khona la ushaya kunephole la yaphezulu goalkeeper will save. So like goalkeeper mangabe on point. There is nothing we can do, guys. Akuqali ngomuntu ukuthi umuntu avele no goalkeeper then anganto angakora. It's not the first time that and futhi khona ama game ukuthi uMdu wadlalile wakora and then like sithini ngawo then lawa menza ukuthi bekanjani ngalelo langa lelo beka prepareile beka improveile bekani uGavin Hunt uso against the Kaizer Chiefs like he's always like this if uyamkhumbula last season was it last season no it's not even last season ngento ngeDurban City yeah nge-first round akafuni ukuyibona Kaizer wenza sure ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs uyizoyibhakela ibhaso rayishaya nge-counter attack nge-high pressing uhlala njalo because une personal agenda against the Kaizer Chiefs it's like that.
Okay, so one of the things that was outstanding was the 2 bookings Aga Stephen. So like what's your take on that?
Yeah, if isafa nebafana bafana bakhona sikudlalisa umkwena anama yellow card amaningi then why should we blame abo referee mistake?
No. Mara iyo ma booking we game 1 same game. So we cannot now sifake isafa nebafana bafana kulezo zinto lezo. No, it doesn't make sense. Okokuqala okay, wenza mistake angithi mangabe ubhukha umuntu uyambhala. That's the thing. And then secondly mangabe somnikeza second yellow card you know ukuthi lo muntu leyo une photo official nayo recordayo futhi okumele ukukhumbuze ukuthi lo muntu leyo une red card ilezi zinto lezo sikhuluma ngazo ukuthi okokuqala from kuwo labo makhehla lawo wakho wesafa lawo okhuluma ngawo okumele ngabe baqale bayibona lento lokuthi umkwena una 2 booking noma ngathi ama bookings wakathatha 10 years mara kusala for as long as asase active then kumele bayazi le nto leyo. So it's nje yilo msangano weVAR iVAR yonke
yazi mina I think if it's unacceptable ukuthi urevise ama mistakes aso it should be unacceptable for ama players now ukuthi a perform the way a perform ngakhona hayi kumele senze kanje.
No guys
mistake if angithi siyasho ukuthi ushabalala beke ngasilanga lakhe no referee ngasilanga lakhe.
Okay because mina ngicela ungizwe ureferee aka compete na anyone team
compete guys nawena bo referee remember ukuthi igame negame oyitshatshayo iyo ekuphakamisayo and for igame efana nale Chiefs Stellenbosch la I mean ubonile standard segame still undersquare Nedbank Cup game yama grudges come on guys.
Okay sharp point yami ngithi ureferee akusi team against akuna team yabo referee against each other.
Mara yazi pressure kuba
so okay asiyeke le pressure kuba ureferee sikhuluma ngokuthi iKaizer Chiefs mayidlala ina 11 players ne iStellenbosch sina 11 players iKaizer Chiefs umduma kaphethe ibhola ufuna ukuyokora lapha laba bayamvimba ukuthi anga immediately kunento eyenzakalayo it's a competition le yenzakala naye bekayi1 avinje goalkeeper yi1 so ureferee yini a computer nayo ukuthi imenza ukuthi angaboni iphepha lakhe ukuthi alongimnikile yelo card yini into yenza ukuthi la khangaba we can never say sithi sizo compare ama mistake wabo referee nama mistake wama player ama players ground ina uthi amadlala ibhola ureferee umsebenzi wakhe ukubheka ukuthi lo ngenzeni lo ukapelo lo wenze simple sekela lento leyo ku favoritism nani.
Do you think if a goalkeeper was sent off bekuzoba nomehluko?
Okay angazi ukuthi bekuzoba nomehluko or bekungeke kube nomehluko but umthetho uthi goalkeeper uthole i red card because ama yellow card awu2 so kumele aphume. That's how it is kumele aphume or even if noma ngabe bathi bayaqhubeka baya ku next stage ugoalkeeper kumele angadlali ku next game.
Yeah kule next game ngiyavuma but
manje
kule ephunya kuyo I don't think bekuzoba nomehluko.
Asazi
Chiefs bengekho man.
Come on guys
the rights and the wrong.
Yabona mina
mara mistake
ngibukele iKaizer Chiefs lokidlala iwina bathi wine ngama offside iwine ngani I've never seen an aggressive Kaizer Chiefs kulama game ewadlalile yawawina lawa than kule Stellenbosch That team was aggressive. That team was they were just unfortunate. That's one thing that I can say. They were unfortunate. Indaba yokuthi abolilepo bebangaphandle abantu bani bebangaphandle ungenile naye wawushaya amapali wayenzani. So I've seen umdu athathe responsibility aziveza ayekela ukuzifihla uSilver bashare kwenzakalani like ama combination was there. The only thing mina I feel ukuthi planning it was wrong from we technical team eKaizer Chiefs from ekuqaleni ukuthi okay sizodlala uMabaso good uGatsheni good but abana that aggressiveness leyo yokuthi okay kungamane kusala ibhola or kusala indoda abanayo le nto leya because if we are checka even negoal la Titus lithathwe khona lapha emidlilini ball watching wasibona uTitus ukuthi shame madoda namhlanje hayi awuthi kuyobhalwa ngami abubhungane balale kabuhlungu
mina ngilalanga kabuhlungu because at the end of the day ibhola belimnandi mina ngisupport ibhola out yami hence ngikutshela ukuthi right now mina ngingabheja kayo yonke into enginayo ukuthi Pirates is on surprise.
Yeah, but if you support ibhola you should understand ukuthi players are capable of making mistakes. If akusilanga la akusilanga.
Yeah, ku Pirates abayenzi right.
Aha, come on guys.
Okay, so just in closing, Nick. So, based on the point you're referring, do you think Uguti Kaizer Chiefs, because I saw some headlines about the Chiefs Uguti Funubuya because of this thing ga goalkeeper Stephen. So, is it a right call for them to do that? Like by Luis Uguti udlali say ngamelanga dlali. With an answer of a yes or a no?
Angeke uthole answer ka yes or no, but if kune loophole then they should fight it. I mean, I would say they should fight it. I'm a fans akusi Kaizer Chiefs. Wabatshela luphobi.
Wonke ama-fans say,
yeah, I think those are the true fans.
No, it's not
because they know ukuthi. That is why I was saying off the camera. No, Chiefs bengathola any 90 minutes on top of that 90 minutes. Bengeke win on that day. So they know ukuthi kuzoze nge embarrassment. I mean baqede kanzima le vika out be Chiefs. Nifuna baphinde futhi.
I feel like ukuthi statement sakaBhungane sisho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs idlalile. If uthi noma bangathola another 90 minutes angeke bawine because akusilanga lapho. And then that means badlalile. Khona i-team
No, ungangifakela amagaba emlonyeni. Mangithi if bathola enye 90 minutes I'm saying bebaphuwa noma bonga eda esinye isikhathi akunakuthi Chiefs iphelele isikhathi akunakuthi bekumele kwenziwe bebazodliwa nje on the day so noma ngabe bo eda isikhathi I'm not saying beba good
so with information if bebaze ngas previous players nani bebazowin
yeah.
That was the longest yes and no. But moving on to our second topic, we're still on the Nedbank Cup review. So this time we're talking about Mamelodi Sundowns' poor performance against the small teams. So despite dominating position earlier on, Mamelodi Sundowns struggled to turn their control into clearing scoring opportunities. The hosts continued to press with Gomora goalkeeper Usidingo Nxumalo forced into serious and sharp saves to save the visitors' level. After persistent attacking pressure, Sundowns eventually found a breaking through in the 41 minute.
It's a shallow deal.
Yeah, and then however, Gomora responded immediately after halftime. The whistle with Umpo capitalizing the defense, the defensive error by Ukoza, stealing position before calming, slotting past. Okay. Yes, so Brazilians created several additional chances but lacked the finishing touch to put the contest beyond doubt. But Gomora refusing to fade and pushes forward in search of another equalizer during their closing stage. But Mamelodi Sundowns remained resolute defensively to secure a progression to the next round. So we saw the game, Angiti guys. That was just a highlight of what happened during the game. So some of the viewpoints is abantu after the game. Other people believed Uguti. Maybe the poor performance by Mamelodi Sundowns is because of the fatigue from the players. You know, they playing like now and then, game after game. Or another thing that came up is that the league might be now competitive, so it's no longer like having Mamelodi Sundowns or one specific team is dominating or being the powerhouse, or like when it comes to the small teams, or we no longer have those games as it's a smaller yana teams, it's a smaller yana game. Like everyone manje mageze game ini says ngale mentality yokuthi sizowin, and the game becomes like competitive. So based on you guys watching the match Mamelodi Sundowns, what do you think about the performance of Mamelodi Sundowns?
Sundowns ayisafani neMamelodi.
Yeah.
I think mina even noma ungayi-check-a from kuma-fans we-Sundowns, it clearly shows ukuthi kunomehluko omkhulu manje between i-Sundowns yabomkwena, i-Sundowns yabopito nale Sundowns kaKaruso. Like there is a huge difference. Yes, une-quality, una yonke into, but-ke somehow into le iGomora ipruvile lento le besikhuluma ngayo ukuthi sometimes ukudlala nama-unknown kunzima because of bona bayakwazi and they can prepare better. So when upreparele abantu who got nothing to lose, ukuyabo. So whatever le beyenzeka ku-Kaizer Chiefs icishe yaraba off yahlala ku-Sundowns ukuthi team encane ifike izoku-outplayer like okuwukuthi it was going to be a good thing as well ukubona i-team encane ishaya Sundowns i-progress iyalena because nakho izofaka like leya confidence leya, but experience somehow igcine ibasebenzela kwabonakala ukuthi okay i-Sundowns i-team enkulu. But for me I wasn't impressed the way like bedlala ngakhona, like I wasn't impressed at all.
Yeah, you know what I like about the Sundowns ne? Noma ingaperforma poor ama-results akhona like their team. Currently abasile Sundowns esiyaziyo, mara check i-league position yabo, check ama-points, basacompete. Abadlalanga kahle against iGomora, bakula 16 manje, yabo. So into engiyithandayo, if i-team uyastruggle, I struggle la kuma-stats, but ama-results abe khona. Not amanye ama-team engiwamention, bastruggle kube buhlungu, iviki liphela kanzima kabi. Itering zifika uvisa qala. So asingayini nje lapho. Yes, for ukulungisa, I think mina Sundowns City ngomunye coach. Angeke ngisho ukuthi ubani, but lo coach lo uyasdrop i-standards e-Sundowns. So angikho happy ngaye, but I'm still happy ngama player we-Sundowns. I mean performance yabo good for me.
So it has nothing to do with Ifati like Katal.
No, Sundowns just need a good coach.
Okay. So before we get to the third topic of the day, can we just end this here? Can we just end this here and let viewers continue staying tuned for part 2 of episode 18, eh? Of episode 18.
Yeah, I say Kichimo.
Yeah.
EWE, baby. Spend some money, not just a trip away.